Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss the difference between pre and post increment and decrement operators. Let's take this example. Here I have created the operators package. Inside this package I have created the class. Inside this class I have created the main method. In this program I have created A1, B, B1, C, D, E, F variables. Okay, and these variables or belongs to integer data type. Here I have used the pre-increment operator. Okay, what happens here? The value of A will be incremented first and the incremented value only will be stored inside the C variable. In the next statement, what we will have? Post-increment operator. What happens here? First, the value of A1 will be assigned to D variable and then the value of A1 will be incremented by 1. And here, pre-decrement operator. What happens here? The value of B will be decremented by 1 first and then the decremented value will be stored inside the E variable. Here, post-decrement operator I have used. What happens here? The value of B1 will be assigned to F variable first and the value of B will be decremented by 1. Let me execute this one. Here I try to print the C variable value. So what is the value of C? Here the value of A is 10. 10 is incremented first by 1. Incremented value will be stored inside the C. So we got 11. 10 plus 1, 11. And here post increment. So what is the value of A1? 45. 45 only will be stored inside the D variable. So we got 45. And here what is the value of B? 56. So decremented value of B only will be stored inside the E variable. 56 minus 1, 55. That's why we got this output. And here B1. What is the value of B1? 32. So assignment is first happened. So what is the value? 32 will be stored inside the F. That's why we got 32 here. Okay. So what is the difference between pre and post? Pre means first assignment will be done and then the value will be incremented or decremented by 1. Post means first the assignment will be done and then the value will be incremented or decremented. So we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.